Oh, careful, buddy. There you go. And I had to get out too. I haven't really been able to do much. So this is good for everybody. But it's just walking in here, man. It's just so hard. My boots got, oh, careful. Look at this. It's all just busting through. Snow's so deep. My boots are full of snow, so you have to stop and empty them. And I should have wore snow pants. So if anybody wants to be critical of me, you don't need to do that. I'm aware of what I should have done. Anyway, it's all about these two clowns. Hey, you guys having fun? Oh man, just so cold. And look at them. Oh, Wipo, you gotta watch this ice, buddy.